Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tasha on Demand. It is still July. It's July Monday, 27th, and I'm still opening up my birthday gifts. I have on a romper, which is now too big, but I figured I would get some more use out of it. It comes like to my knee. And yes, I wore this to work today with some like Air Maxes that's this color. So yes, I wore tennis shoes and a romper on a Monday. So let's get started. This is a Portland leather good bag. At least that's what I think it is. And it's too big to put on my table. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. It was I'm kind of still stuck right now on Charlie Park. If like you should see this in enough time where the sale is still going on. I'm gonna try to upload this as soon as possible. So it came with the free insert, and I chose the large because I already have one, and I'm just gonna reach right here and get the one. Hopefully, it don't bump the camera. So this is the one I have. Let's see the difference. This one came from Amazon, and this was the free. It's like a BOGO sale going on. So this is pretty big, but I do have some bags it will fit in. Just gonna put this back. Excuse me. I'm drinking. Oh, I'm drinking a sparkle water and a what you call those little sachet things, the on the go shake it, whatever they are. The mix I've showed you in a previous video. So this is guava melon and a great value melon sachet in here, and it's only a half of one, and so that's like my soda. I wanted something sweet, and I knew I was not going to eat anything because I had for my dinner I had a Caesar salad and a and two slices of chicken pizza. And if you don't know what chicken pizza is, I think I showed everyone what it looked like on my weight loss um, playlist. I got up this morning at like 7 o'clock and went ahead and baked it because who wants their home, hot during the day, and I'm not here anyway. So I cooked it this morning, packed it up, and ate 2 pieces, and I'm having the other 2 pieces tomorrow when I get to work. So this is a Portland leather oversized shoulder bag in the Naomi, and this is Jackson. Now, one thing I figured out about Portland leather is it's here today and it could be gone tomorrow, and you will never get it again. So I was on the fence about did I want to go with the Brooklyn? So everyone knew that the Brooklyn has been on sale with the clay. I think it was the clay color suede that's been on sale. It marked down really low. I think the 34 and the 28 got marked down pretty low in the suede. And I don't know. I just didn't want to go with the Brooklyn. I wanted this particular brand. And look at the slouchiness. And then it had 30% off, and I got it for $92. Plus I had like $10 in rewards. So I wanted to use those. But look at the slouch on this. And let's see if the insert will fit. Okay. So this is the large insert that was given to me for free. And I'm just gonna put it in here and fit. And I got the zip one because the snap one it wasn't available. And I didn't want to go to dark color because then you can't see anything. This bag is beautiful. I'm glad I went with the Portland. So for all of this, plus shipping and tax, I may have paid like 106, if that, because I had 30% off, plus I had the $10 off reward. Because if you buy more, you get they have a reward system. And oh my goodness, I'm glad I did. Look, 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 look. Yep, I like it. I'm really happy with this bag. And this insert just made it even better. Look at this. I could just move in it and I'm actually carrying another Portland leather. Um, it's like a mini tote in the red. They had it for $48 during like the Black Friday. So I was in here just, rearranging things and I ran across it and I was like, well, I'm not going to do an unboxing or unbag and I'm just going to move into it. But unfortunately, I left it on the other side of the house. I would have showed everyone what I was currently carrying. But what I will do is I will show me moving out of it, moving into a different bag. This bag is everything, okay? It's such a slouchy bag. So if you like slouch, this is it. Portland leather currently have 4 different suede colors. And this one is, like I said, the Jackson. Now, on here it says spend $1, get a point, get $5 off every 10 points. But what they do is sometimes during the holiday, which I missed it, for the 4th of July, they were giving like bonus points plus the 30% off. And I just did not make the time to go over there because I was on Macy's and I think Coach doing a lot of shopping for the 4th of July. So that's where I kind of, put out my extra spending dollars. But I seen an email the other day that said that there was a 30% off, and I remember that I still had some points from my previous purchases that I'm going to do unboxing. I have like 4 Portland leather boxes from last year in my closet, and I'm gonna do an unboxing. But this just came today, and I was so excited. I wanted to open it and look at it. Um, I know I have purses that I have not unbagged because this room was just sitting because it's my daughter's old room. So I wanted to remodel the room before I actually moved in it and got all my purses stored here now. These two cabinets, and I have another one over there. And yeah, that's what I've been doing. It took us a long time because this room looked totally different before we remodeled it. We did everything to it, literally. We changed out everything from the doors, just everything. Um, and I was trying to do the remodeling around my work schedule and everything, so that's what took so long. But I'm in here now and I like it. I like hanging out, listening to my jazz, if you can hear in the background. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. My name is Tasha, and I just talk about everything. So today is bags. I actually am a plant mom too, so I will share my plants and a little bit of that as well. And I talk about weight loss because I am on a weight loss journey. I'm still kind of celebrating my 50th birthday. So I just turned 50 and I'm excited. I wouldn't have thought that I would be this excited about turning 50, but I am, because I earned this age. I was just telling my children, and this is just me just talking. The unboxing is over with. But yeah, maybe I'll do like a sit down and talk about myself and everything. To everyone that has subscribed so far, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. I really thank you so much for subscribing and joining my channel and looking at my videos, and comment under the comments and all of that. I'm just thankful. And let's talk about the hair. So I just got it in a poof ponytail. um I just came out of a crochet. Like the last 12 weeks I've been in a crochet, and decided to wear my poof this week. And I'm going to wash my hair probably Sunday. And that's it. That is all I want to share today. I'll probably do another video, but I'm going to wrap this one on up. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.